Hi students, continuation, that is ethers condition students. Ethers can be prepared from Williamson synthesis student. Already we discussed it in previous video, Williamson synthesis student. What is Williamson synthesis student? When alkyl halide react with sodium alkoxide in the presence of dry ether, it gives ether. This is the definition students. So Williamson synthesis, ethers can be prepared from Williamson synthesis students. So what are the conditions students? Ethers cannot be prepared, you remember students, ethers cannot be prepared, you remember students, ethers cannot be prepared from tertiary alkyl halide, you remember students, tertiary alkyl halides, it is very most important student. Ethers are cannot be prepared from tertiary alkyl halide, first condition student. Now second condition students, ethers cannot be prepared, ethers cannot be prepared from vinyl halides, prepared from vinyl halides. Vinyl halide means what? That is CH2 double bond CH. Example, now take the chlorine, vinyl chloride, and ethers cannot be prepared from chlorobenzene also students, chlorobenzene also, and ethers cannot be prepared from bridged compound also, like this students, bridged compounds also. So this is the simple trick students. So ethers cannot be prepared, you remember students, ethers cannot be prepared from tertiary alkyl halide. Generally tertiary alkyl halides are favor the SN1 mechanism students. This tertiary alkyl halide more favor the SN1 mechanism students. Generally ethers favors only for SN2 mechanism. Ethers follow the SN2 mechanism student, but here in this tertiary alkyls, in tertiary alkyls are more favorable for SN1 mechanism. So that's why ethers are cannot be prepared from tertiary alkyl halide. And second one student, ethers are cannot be prepared from vinyl halide, that is vinyl chloride. What is the reason student? That is vinyl chloride or vinyl halide. Example, now take the CH2 double bond CH then Cl. Student, this chlorine having lone pairs are there, so 3 lone pairs are present student. This lone pair always student, these lone pairs are participating in the resonance students. And one more thing student, here this partially double bond character will be formed student, that is this vinyl halide, that is vinyl chloride having this chlorine having 3 lone pairs, 3 lone pairs are present. These lone pairs are participating in the resonance, so that's why partially double bond character will be formed. So here bond breaking is not possible in this compound student. In this vinyl chloride, bond breaking is not easy due to the presence of resonance. One more thing student, and partially double bond character will be formed. This is the simple trick student. And one more thing student, in chlorobenzene student, in chlorobenzene also in chlorobenzene student, this chlorine having 3 lone pairs are there student. The lone pair electrons are participating in the resonance student. These 3 lone pairs, 1 lone pair electron participating in the resonance. This chlorine having lone pairs are participating in the resonance. So that's why here also same thing student, here partially double bond character will be formed. So here bond breaking is not easy in between benzene and chlorine student, that is chlorobenzene bond breaking is not easy. So that's why it is cannot be prepared from chlorobenzene. And here also same thing student. And one more thing student, these compounds also, these all compounds are undergoes sp2 hybrid orbital student. These compounds are undergoes sp2 hybridization. So here this sp2 hybridization compounds are do not give ethers. This is the very most important student. One more thing student, this sp2 carbon, this is also vinyl halide also, it undergoes sp2 hybridization, and chlorobenzene also, benzene also undergoes sp2 hybridization. So that's why this sp2 hybrid carbon compounds are do not give ether. This is the simple trick student. Ethers condition student. So ethers cannot be prepared from tertiary alkyl halide. And second one student, that is ethers are cannot be prepared from vinyl halide, like vinyl chloride, vinyl bromide, like that. Ethers cannot be prepared from chlorobenzene and bridged compounds. This is the simple trick student. Now take the for Williamson synthesis example student. One second student, Williamson synthesis example student. Now take the when methyl bromide react with sodium methoxide, it gives student, that is here Br and Na, so that is NaBr elimination student, we get product is CH3OCH3, dimethyl ether will be formed plus NaBr students. And one more thing student, in ether condition student, that is less hindered and less crowd also is more favorable student. So this is CH3 be less hindered means that is less carbons. And one more example student, that is CH3CH2Br in the presence of sodium ethoxide students, in the presence of dry ether, what happens student, that is Br from here, Na here student, that is minus NaBr is elimination students, we get that is product CH3CH2OC2H5 diethyl ether will be formed, that is diethyl ether will be formed. So this is the simple trick student. And one more example student, here bromine from here, sodium, that is NaBr is elimination minus NaBr elimination students in this product. And in the second one student, that is Na plus and Br minus is elimination student, we get that is diethyl ether will be formed students. Now one more example student for Williamson synthesis student. Now take the when ethyl chloride react with tertiary sodium butoxide student, tertiary sodium butoxide student, what is the production, that is it is also same thing student, that is primary alkyl halide student, this is primary alkyl halide student, primary alkyl that is ethyl chloride is belongs to primary alkyl halide, it is a strong nucleophile O minus and Na plus, tertiary sodium butoxide, tertiary butoxide, it is a strong base student, it is a strong base, sodium tertiary butoxide, sodium tertiary butoxide is a strong base, a strong nucleophile, generally strong nucleophile more favorable for SN2 mechanism student, strong nucleophile favor the SN2 mechanism students. So this is primary alkyl halide student, this is primary alkyl halide in the presence of strong base, it gives nucleophilic substitution reaction student, it undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction student. One more next point student, very most important point student, when primary alkyl halide react with strong base, it undergoes SN2 mechanism, that means nucleophilic substitution reaction student, we get that product is CH3 then CH2O then CH3 then CH3 then CH, this is the production plus NaCl is elimination. So this is the simple trick students. When primary alkyl halide, this is primary alkyl means that is ethyl chloride, primary alkyl halide in the presence of strong base, that is strong base means that is strong nucleophile, it undergoes SN2 mechanism student, SN2 mechanism, this is very most important student, it is both are, it belongs to Williamson synthesis student. If in case student you remember student, it is also very most important student, it is also very most important students. When tertiary alkyl halide, now take the example student, when tertiary alkyl halide CH3 then CH3 then Cl, what I said student, tertiary alkyl halide, ethers cannot be prepared from tertiary alkyl halide, it is very most important students, ethers are cannot be prepared from tertiary alkyl halide. Now example, take the what happens, now take the tertiary butyl chloride, when tertiary butyl chloride react with what happens, that is tertiary butyl chloride, one second students, when tertiary butyl chloride react with sodium methoxide, what happens, that is sodium methoxide, what happens, that is it is a O minus Na plus, it is a strong base, it is a strong base, that means strong nucleophile, this is tertiary alkyl halide, this is tertiary butyl alkyl halide, that is tertiary butyl chloride. Example, this tertiary alkyl halides are generally undergoes SN1 mechanism student, but here in this tertiary alkyl halide in the presence of strong base, you remember students, tertiary alkyl halide in the presence of strong base, it is always elimination reaction student. So, do not give ether student in this reaction students. Tertiary alkyl halide in the presence of strong base, do not give ethers. What happens student? What happens student in this reaction student? That is alkenes will be formed student. Alkenes will be formed student. That is here bond breaking student, in between bond breaking student. Here bond breaking student. This O minus, here this O minus taking 1 H plus from here students, 1 H plus taking from here, 1 H plus taking from here, 1 proton taking from here, and Na plus, that is Cl minus NaCl is will be formed, that is overall product is, that is CH3 then C then CH3 double bond CH2 plus NaCl plus methyl alcohol CH3OH. This is the overall reaction student. This is the very most important student. This or in this reaction student, ethers cannot be prepared. You remember student, ethers cannot be prepared from tertiary alkyl halide. Now example, take the tertiary alkyl example student, that is tertiary butyl chloride. When tertiary butyl chloride react with sodium methoxide, that is means strong base or strong nucleophile, what happens to it? That is elimination reaction. It is belongs to elimination reaction student. It do not undergoes SN2 mechanism. In SN2 mechanism, what is the in SN2 mechanism, what is the condition student? In SN2 mechanism, condition is compound should contain primary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide in the presence of strong base, that is always nucleophilic substitution reaction, that always giving ethers. This is the simple trick student. But in the presence of tertiary alkyl halide, when tertiary alkyl, this is the tertiary alkyl student, this tertiary alkyl halide react with strong base, what happens to that is always elimination. This is the simple trick student. I will give one more example students. I will give one more example student. When CH3 then CH3 then CH3 then ONA students, sodium butoxide students, that is tertiary sodium tertiary butoxide student. When sodium tertiary butoxide react with CH3Cl, what happens to that is when sodium tertiary butoxide react with ethyl chloride, what is the production? This sodium, that is O minus and Na plus, this sodium tertiary butoxide, it is a strong nucleophile, that means strong base. It is belongs to SB means that is strong base. When strong base, this is the primary alkyl halide student, this is the primary alkyl halide. This primary alkyl halide, when primary alkyl halide in the presence of strong base, it follow the SN2 mechanism. SN2 mechanism, that is nucleophilic substitution reaction student. So what is the production? That is product is, that is CH3 then CH3 then CH3 then O CH2 then CH3. Diethyl ether will be formed. This is the very most important students. This is the tertiary, sodium tertiary butoxide react with ethyl chloride. This ethyl chloride is belongs to primary alkyl halide student, primary alkyl halide. When primary alkyl halide react with strong base, what happens to that is always substitution reaction to form, that is ether will be formed. So this ether will be formed. This is the mixed ether, this is mixed ether will be formed. In this same case, this when tertiary alkyl halide, in the presence of strong base, what happens to that is always elimination. Why? Because of this tertiary alkyl halide, that is it follow the SN1 mechanism. That SN1 mechanism. But in primary alkyl halide, this primary alkyl halide in the presence of strong base, it follow the, what is the student, that is it is strong nucleophile, it favor the SN2 mechanism. This is SN2 mechanism. It gives mixed ethers will be formed, that is ethyl. This is the ethyl tertiary butyl ether will be formed. This is the simple trick student. Ethyl tertiary butyl ether will be formed. This is a simple trick for preparation of ethers. Preparation of ethers. This is the condition students. Ethers cannot be prepared. One more thing student. Ethers cannot be prepared from tertiary alkyl halide, like tertiary butyl chloride, tertiary butyl iodide, like that. And ethers cannot be prepared from vinyl halide. Why? What is the reason? So that is partially double bond will character will be developed. So that's why your bond breaking is not easy. So that is the reason, student. And ethers are cannot be prepared from chlorobenzene. What is the reason, student? Here also same thing, student. Here also partially double bond character will be found. This is a simple trick for preparation of ethers, student. This is the very most important, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comments, and thanks for watching, student. If you like my video, please click on like. Please don't forget, please click on like. Thank you. Thanks for watching.